Oh, hi. You might be wondering why am I cleaning my carpet with a squishy? And the good question, that's a good question. But the reason why is here is our new product called the squishy cleaner. It can pick up every single piece of dirt that you leave that your vacuum cannot get on your carpet or anywhere in your house. And you might be wondering, how I'm just going to throw it away when it gets too dirty. But that's the thing. You could just wash it. You might be asking, why can't I use a Scrub Daddy for this? But the reason why is Scrub Daddy wears out over time. And I know you can just wash Scrub Daddy and pick up like pieces in your house, but does it pick up all the crumbs because it's sticky? No. So that's why our product, Squishy Taba Squishy, is going for $3.99 off Amazon. And check us out at tabasquishy.com. It's going for $3.99. Call 177-304-8840 at squishy.com. Our Taba Squishy can also clean little tiny areas like this really dusty place in the TV, which is the speakers. So if your speakers are ever like sounding weird, it might be the dust, but that's another reason why we built this Taba Squishy, because we can get into the tiny crevices of like TV speakers, and then we will have like a really clean TV speaker by the end, and it will only take you 5 minutes because you still need to dab some for it to look really clean. And that is our Taba Squishy. Go buy it on tabasquishy.com.